Next. The thing is with hype, there's not much data. Backtesting a long only SMA and down only. Backtesting long only for house coin and hype. So this one looks good, dude, but I mean it's optimized, so remember that. We got liquidations coming through. Hype is this one. Okay, let's go to the next one here and see if we can get this hype going. Okay. Okay. See what the optimized looks like. This one here, you can see 0.33% return, which is better than regular. Just holding. It was negative. It was negative. You're positive. Post. Close, 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 close. Sweet, dude. See if she's done optimizing yet. Not quite. How's our agent doing here? She's trying to optimize the 50%. It's hella hard. Okay, so here's the optimization. Of course, it looks better, dude. Okay, so this is the optimized hype. 9% versus negative 5.3. Say call this hype. Hype. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one because we didn't get these done for hype. Okay, so this was the unoptimized, and optimized will come up next. See, the final return is 101%. Max drawdown is 11%. Let's see here. Buy and hold 0.66 versus, or buy and hold negative 5.4. And what we did was 0.66, so it's much better. Much better. Still not GOAT though. Not GOAT. Not GOAT good, but not GOAT. Not GOAT. Okay, so this took one trade maybe. Let's see. Yeah, it just took one trade here. It did better than that one, but optimized results. You got to be careful with optimizations, dude, because they look better, obviously, always. So hype here. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out on this one. You can see she's struggling over here. She got better though, plus 283. So she's working on this back test, optimizing it. This is Grok down here running my RBI process. She's slick. Okay, so this one here is 13%. Okay. So this is doing well. It is optimized again. So this is hype here. So while hype was unprofitable for the last 60 days, the return here is 13.3% versus negative 5.3. So that's fire. Sharp ratio is a 4. That's fire. Okay. I'm gonna call this no, I'm not gonna call it anything. I'm just gonna keep pushing. Let's go ahead and hit there, and then boom, bam. Okay, so this is the unoptimized 98% return. Negative 2% return, sorry. This one's better, but what, 3 trades? Let's see. Let's see, homeboy. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. 5 trades. 9.2 versus negative 5. Okay, so these are all better than Just buying and holding. That's cool. Let's go to hype here. Hype and house. House and hype. Where's the hype at? Where's the house at? Where's the hype at? Where's the house at? Where's the hype at? Where's the house at? The house of finance? You can't have a house of finance without house coin, dude. Come on. Okay, so you can see here, this one, 3% versus -5. Okay. It's 1.9 versus -5. Okay, so that's interesting, dude. Just a simple moving average is better than, well, that one's not. Better than buying and holding hype coin and house. Both of them, really. Leave. Leave, 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 leave. This GitHub is available for everybody freely for now. So if you want it, get it. Get it while you can. Get it while it's hot. Get it while it's hot. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and say run this again, but I want to run it on the house coin data since the other one was kind of broken. Okay, so this one's poor performer as well, but it's probably better than, okay, 292% return. It's not better than buy and hold because this coin went crazy. 166 days. Okay. Let's see what the non-optimized looks like. 10. Sharp is, or Sortino's 4. Return 166. Return 14131. Return 184. So the best is this one.